Have you ever wondered how a test can actually predict success in school, in work, or even in life? Welcome back to our series on validity in psychological testing. This is our second episode, and in this video, we are going to talk about criterion-related validity. Now, if you haven't seen the first video yet, I highly recommend that you check it first before watching this video. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Criterion-related validity looks at how well a test relates to real-world outcomes, which we call criterion. In simple terms, it answers the question, does the test score really matter outside of the classroom or outside of the testing room? That's a good question. So there are two main types of criterion-related validity. First, predictive validity. This is all about the future. For example, an aptitude test given to job applicants should be able to predict how well they will perform once they are actually hired. So if high test scores are correlated to better job performance, then that is a strong predictive validity. Second is concurrent validity. Let's say you are creating an anxiety scale. To check if it's valid, you try to compare it to an existing, well-established anxiety test given at the same time. So, you try to correlate both of the scores, and if both scores found to be highly correlated, then that is a good concurrent validity. And that wraps up our discussion on criterion-related validity. Remember, it's all about how well a test relates to real-world outcomes, either by predicting the future or matching the present. Again, if you want contents like this, please follow for more.